Over 90% of people have no idea about Google's newest AI powers. Google is quietly rolling out tools that can automate work, create stunning visuals, and even generate entire projects in minutes. So let me break it out for you in the simplest way possible. In my opinion, the most exciting tool from Google right now has to be the Google AI Studio. It's basically your gateway to Google's most advanced AI models like Gemini, all in one easy-to-use platform. With Google AI Studio, you can design chatbots, generate content, whether it's images, videos, text-to-speech, or audios as well. You can analyze data or even prototype entire workflows. Let me show you a quick demo of what I did with Nano Banana earlier. So I provided an image of me and asked Nano Banana to show this person in front of the mirror at a big sandy beach with a beautiful sunset. The beach occupancy rate is medium, and we can see the waves of the ocean in the background. So the result is actually quite impressive. The only part missing really is the facial expression, right? Otherwise, the t-shirt, the swag, everything is there. All the details have been considered. So this is actually quite impressive. I then asked Nano Banana to show the same person posing for the Nike Pegasus shoe in a studio with a similar pose. So I provided this image, and well, the result was okay, but the face here, the detail is completely different. So the performance was poor here. In another example of this is how I used Nano Banana to generate a logo. After inputting the prompt, you can pause the video and read the prompt, and I'm quite impressed by the logo. I noticed that Nano Banana in general generate better logos than ChatGPT and other AI tools. Now let's look at another quick demo of the multi-speaker audio offered by Google AI Studio.
So I was just playing around with that new Google AI Studio. It's amazing.
Oh yeah? What'd you try? I've heard it can do voices now. Huh.
More than just voices. I typed out this whole scene for a podcast, right? With a couple of characters talking, and it just
Wow.
it just got it.
Yeah, so as you can see, this is quite impressive. I'm mind blown every time I see what we are able to do already with AI, knowing that we're just at the beginning of the trend. So this is getting better over time. So next up is VO3, and this one is a total game changer for anyone creating video content. Imagine just typing a single prompt, and in seconds you get high quality, realistic videos, no camera, no lighting, no actors, no editing, no software needed. So VO3 takes AI video generation to the next level with stunning visuals, as you can see on my screen, smoother motion, and even the ability to add synced audio. So whether you're a marketer, an educator, a content creator, this tool lets you bring your ideas to life faster than ever before. I recorded a quick demo for those of you curious to see what's possible with it right now.
Wow, AI is mind-blowing. I still cannot believe how crazy this is. This is my AI twin talking. Oh no, this is actually the real me. Got confused. Haha, just kidding.
Google is really good at the laughs and interjection. I'm truly impressed. Of course, we cannot talk about Google's product without mentioning Gemini, the powerhouse behind so many of these innovations. So Gemini is Google's most advanced AI model yet. It's designed to understand text, images, code, and even reasoning tasks all in one system. So what makes Gemini stand out is how versatile it is. You know, whether you need to bring content to life, you need to analyze data, maybe coding, or even brainstorming business ideas, Gemini can do it all in a second, just like ChatGPT, Cloud, or Grok. If Google AI Studio is where you create and experiment with AI, the next tool takes things to a whole new level of personalization. It's called NotebookLM, and in my opinion, it's one of Google's smartest AI tools right now. Think of it as your AI research assistant built right on top of Google's Gemini model. So go to notebooklm.google, and yeah, it says it all. It understands anything, your research and thinking partner grounded in the information you trust, built with the latest Gemini models. The advantage of using a NotebookLM over the generic Gemini is that with NotebookLM, you upload your sources, whether it's PDFs, websites, YouTube videos, audio files, whatever, you name it, and you get instant insight from all the documents and the sources that you provided it. And you can even see the source, just not the answers. You can listen and learn on the go. So it's perfect for students, professionals, or anyone drowning in information who wants answer, not just data, or maybe wants to learn on the go. Now let's talk about Google Labs FX for a second. This one is perfect for creators and video editors. Some other tools in the Google Lab FX Studio are Whisk to create some magic, image effects to transform your ideas from text to images, and of course music effects to bring new musical ideas to life. So I will let you explore those on your own. Next, let's talk about Opal. So Opal is a pretty new and experimental product from Google. It helps you to build, edit, and share mini apps using natural language. So you talk and it builds the apps for you. Let's play a quick portion of the introduction video here.
Let's see what it can do. There are 2 ways to get started. You can remix apps from our gallery, or you can create your own apps from scratch by clicking Create New. Let's chain together Google models in this example to do deep research on a topic, draft a blog post, and create video to go with the post.
With all the advancement in AI, Google is also changing the way we search information online. They recently launched the Google AI Search Mode, which is the most powerful AI search. Basically, instead of scrolling through pages of links, you get direct AI-powered answers instantly, pretty much like Perplexity, along with context, sources, and step-by-step explanations. And finally, another tool worth checking out is GenKit. It's an open source framework for building AI-powered apps built and used in production by Google. So for developers, you can build those apps with Node.js, Go, or Python. If you found this video helpful, remember to hit the like button, subscribe for more AI tips and tools like this, and drop a comment to let me know which one you're most excited to try first. Until next time, keep exploring. Click anywhere on the screen to see more of my AI content.